Here's what most people do wrong. They turn every chest exercise into a shoulder and tricep workout. Watch closely, elbows flared too wide. Weight moving fast, no control at the squeeze. They're focused on moving the weight instead of shortening the chest muscle. That's like trying to start a fire by waving the match around instead of holding it to the wood. And the craziest part, your chest can look busy while barely doing the work. Building curiosity. So what's the secret? It's not a magical exercise. It's understanding one thing most people never think about. The chest's main job is not just pushing, it's bringing the arms toward the center of the body. That changes everything. Step by step, the right way. Let's fix it. Whether you're doing cable flies, pec deck, or even dumbbell presses. Step 1, pull your shoulders down and slightly back. Not exaggerated military posture, just enough to create a stable base. Think of your shoulders like the foundation of a skyscraper. If the base is unstable, the entire structure leaks force. Step 2, slight bend in the elbows. Keep that angle locked. The mistake, people turn flies into presses halfway through the movement. Step 3, now here's the game changer. Instead of thinking, move the weight, think, drive your biceps toward each other. That cue instantly increases chest contraction. And when your hands meet, don't just touch and reset, squeeze. Like you're crushing a ball between your chest muscles. Intermediate fix. Now let's level up. Most people stop the rep where it feels comfortable, but the chest works hardest in the shortened position. So pause for 1 full second at the squeeze. You'll probably need lighter weight, and your ego might hate it, but your chest, it'll finally wake up. Advanced tweak. Here's the advanced trick almost nobody uses. Train the chest through controlled adduction. That means resisting the weight on the way out, not just forcing it inward. The low